All right, guys and gals. Mary Frances pointed out I just keep saying guys, so I gotta include the ladies. Talking to you too, ladies. Today's unboxing is the Ceremonic Blink500 Pro B2. So this is something that I hope will solve a lot of the problems I have when I'm doing some videoing out and about with the family. Post-production to edit the sound clips to try to get good audio. My thought is I put two wireless lav mics, one on each of the boys, and give my daughter this little Bluetooth lav mic for the DJI Pocket 2, and then I can put a shotgun mic, probably the Duo, on top of the Sony here and be able to get my audio and whoever I'm pointing the camera at's audio, and then I'll have all three of the kids' audio also recorded that I can sync up later in post-production. But today's video is all about the unboxing and showing you what you get in the Blink500 Pro B2 package. So the B2 is simply the two transmitters. So without further ado, let's get into it. Open is on the bottom. Missed that. I was trying to open from the top like a normal person. Oh, wouldn't you know, it slides out easily in this direction. The package itself looks very nice. So, very nice case here. It's a flap. Alright, as always, owner's manual, warranty papers, registration papers. So it's the ultra compact 2.4 gigahertz dual channel wireless microphone. And one of the nice things about this product is it comes with this incredibly good looking and durable case. It's got a loop on it, so if you carabiner it to your bag or something that makes external, it'd be a nice way to carry these and keep them protected. Alright, so let's look at what's inside. Oh, and honestly, I completely forgot about this when I ordered this. It comes in a nice little case inside the soft case, which is a charging case. So you keep them in here to charge them. USB-C on the back for charging, 5 volt, 1.5 amp. All right, so opening up the case here, the charging case, we got the two transmitters and the receiver. Nice little devices here. So on this side, you have the plus and minus in the set. And then you can also charge these outside of the charging case, micro USB. Okay, on the top, you have a line out and headphones, so you can monitor your audio as you're recording. And then on the left side, you have the very nice, small, light. It's a little larger than the Bluetooth one that I got with the DJI Pocket 2. This one also has an OLED display. So you get two transmitters, and here you see on the transmitter that you have the mic, and then you can plug in a external mic as well. So it's got the built-in mic here and mic jack. The one Blink500 Pro, two Blink500 Pro transmitters, the Blink500 Pro B2 box charging case, and the zipper bag. Let's see what else we have in the box. Okay, we've got a couple of dead cats for the built-in microphones or wind muffs. Two of those, one for each transmitter. So we've got the two plug-in lav mics, and each of these comes with a foamy wind muff as well. So this might actually be the easiest way for the kids. It's a lot lighter and more discreet too, so that'll be nice. So these are USB-A to USB-C and micro USB respectively. So depending on what you're using, whether it's a cell phone or a camera, you're going to either be using the TRS or the TRSS output. They give you one of each of these. depending on what you're going to be plugging this into. And the nice thing is that all of these are gold plated. Should make some really good conductivity. These are SRM1 lavalier mics. They're omnidirectional. So that's it, guys. This is what you get inside the box for the Ceramonic Blink500 Pro B2. I'm very excited to try this out. It looks like an incredibly nice set. I love the fact that I can just plug this in, put it here on my table, and everything will be charging at once. It's only going to tie up one of my USB ports to charge this case, and then I'll charge all 3 devices from one USB port on my hub or my outlet. Hopefully soon you'll start hearing some improved sound quality, and until next time, guys, that's it. Subscribe and like. If you like it, leave me comments. Thanks.